Hi guys, so for the past few weeks I have partnered up with IAM Road Safety in Lincolnshire to help develop my advanced driving, so one of the hardest driving tests you can take on the roads. Now we've got the Lotus ready, I thought, can we apply road safety and advanced driving techniques to a road legal go-kart? Let's find out. IAM Road Smart is all about developing those advanced and safety techniques on the roads, but it's not about driving like Miss Daisy like I thought it might be. It's actually about making progress but safely. So we've done things like overtaking, how to take a corner on the roads safely but also carrying your speed through, and all these different techniques. So there's all this side of things as well. We get a little booklet that we go through and it has all the developments that we learn here in the car weekly, as well as some score sheets that we get as well, and after every session we get scored. Here in Lincolnshire, Richard is my assessor, so let's get him in the Lotus and see how we get on. Here is the Lotus we're taking the advanced course in today, and I do apologise in advance because some of the sound might be questionable. We're in the Lotus ready. I'm sure this is very different to the normal advanced driving cars, but do you think we're going to do okay?
I'm sure it'll be fine. It feels like a go-kart, nice and cosy. A little bit basic in trim. Interested in getting in and out, but I'm proper looking forward to how we can apply advanced driving techniques to what is a sports car on the road. So really looking forward to it.
Let's see how we get on. And a quick apology because you guys know we're in a Lotus, so the sound isn't going to be the best. So we're going to apply the same techniques that we were doing in my parents' Mini beforehand into a Lotus. So no power steering, none of that. Let's see if they are applicable still.
So what are those techniques though, Becca?
They are plan to stop, plan to go, prepare to stop. Remember that one. Where is it now? It's been a couple of weeks.
Yeah, okay, so let's focus on the system of car control.
Yep.
Based on police roadcraft.
Yep.
Information.
Yes.
Informs position where you place the car, and then we adjust the speed to deal with hazards.
Yep.
And when we've got all of that sorted and we're happy with the speed in accordance with the hazard, we can take the gear and accelerate away from the hazard.
Yes.
So that's the system of car control.
And tyres and tarmac.
Oh yeah, we're behind a van right now. We can see right under it, not suggesting we're low. Okay, so thinking ahead about what we can see, we've got a learner driver oncoming and some parked cars. So we're just going to hold off the throttle a little bit as you are, wait till we've got the vision to go, and now we're happy to go. What's the speed limit here?
30.
Excellent. I can just see you doing 30.
Yeah, it is analog, so it's a bit of a guessing game in this one. Depending how high you sit is how fast you're going.
Okay, yeah.
Horrendous.
From that centre line, totally against what you do on the racetrack. Now we're slowly moving to the centre line to get the view for this bend. Always looking to travel at speed, we can stop within the distance we can see to be clear. We've got a car ahead, so we're starting to think about the 2-second following distance. Yeah. Can you remember how to gauge that?
So when you see to exactly the side, 1 and 2.
Yeah, so if we count 1001, 1002. So we're aiming for 2 seconds as a safe distance. Sometimes if you get behind a big vehicle, a little bit further back, wet conditions, further back again.
Ice to stay clear.
Steer. Just directly. When you're happy, then go. Yeah, nice and evenly within the speed. So standard centre white line, can you remember what that meant?
Standard centre line, there's no
No fixed hazards. What we don't have control over is the moving hazards. Clean right, nothing incoming, and then we've got the advanced warning, bend to the left, followed by the junction to the right. Slowing the road, toe in our hazard centre white line, so we move out towards the centre white line for the view, lose the speed, off the brakes, into gear, turn in, perfect, one thing at one, really good program. Right, so information, junction left, hazard centre white line, bend, 2 vehicles ahead, observation that silver car's going slow. So we're anticipating that he's going to be a little bit very cautious at the roundabout. We'll go straight over, leave the gear where it is, let's hold back. Our plan is to give them space to get out of the way, and then we can deal with the roundabout. Plan to stop. So we're planning to stop on that white line. We're preparing to go. Vision before decision, clear, gear, go. Keeping an eye on that tractor. So, a little lap through town, back to yours. That's fine, like we call it.
My parents call it that now.
Taker.
Oh, that's cool, that.
Big, doesn't it, compared with this?
It is
It looked like
tiny.
it looked like it was a 4x4. We've got control of the car then, both hands on the wheel, not changing gear.
So you can get my brakes.
Yeah, that's fine. Right, okay, town scenario then, 30 miles an hour speed limit. Cars parked either side, let's position for safety. Information, cars parked, position for safety, nobody oncoming, so we're equalising the risk of car doors opening either side. Unfortunately, we didn't get to make the Z4 driver jealous.
Everybody stares.
My old neighbour. Centre of town, so we're guessing or anticipating what pedestrians are going to do, which is nearly impossible. But just keep an eye on them. That's clear, so what we go. Some just that time, some okay, information position, yeah, good, nothing oncoming. So one thing we do think about before going on the opposite side of the road, and it doesn't matter whether we're considering straight lining a right-hand bend, for example, overtaking, or even in town.
Oh, that roundabout's always a difficult
one. And that's slap.
Yeah.
So give yourself a slap if you cross the white line. So what it is it safe to cross the white line? Is there anything to come in? Is there a broken white line that we're allowed to cross? Is it legal? Back to the broken white line. What does it achieve? Well, in a series of bends, you might want to just keep the car as straight as possible and not be wearing your tyres out by throwing it into a bend. And please, what's the perception of all the drivers? So slap is what we think about before we cross that white line. So regardless of their position, let's be over into the middle, let's own the road, and there is an element of actually controlling what oncoming cars do as well, otherwise you just end up sitting there for
hours and hours and hours down it.
Okay, so we're accepting we're in a blooming Lotus of these with no suspension or what have you. Your actual application of technique was really good.
Yeah.
I'm having to switch off from the noise and the sort of bumpy suspension, if you like. Yeah, really good. I've noticed the improvement in that separation of steering and gears and brakes.
Yeah.
Which will come further with practice.
There we have it, guys. The Lotus gets the road safety advanced driving technique approval. So a road going go-kart can actually apply road safety and advanced driving techniques, and like you say, it's still getting maybe not the enjoyment you would on a track as a Lotus, but of course on the roads there's a lot more to take in and a lot more hazards, as we saw with the birds crossing. IAM Road Safety works all across the country, here in Lincolnshire and other counties as well. So guys, if you're looking for your advanced driving, then please check them out, because it not only makes things like your insurance cheaper, but it really does make you more aware of the roads and how to make progress safely. So you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!